For many motorcycle enthusiasts, the sound of the engine is more than just a byproduct of combustion. It's an integral part of the riding experience. The unique growl of a motorcycle engine can stir emotions and create a deep connection between the rider and their machine. A deep, throaty roar can evoke a sense of power, freedom, and adventure. It's not just about the noise, it's about the feeling it generates, the thrill of the ride, and the memories it creates. It's a way for riders to express their individuality and connect with their machines on a visceral level. Customizing the exhaust system to achieve that perfect sound is a common practice among enthusiasts. A louder motorcycle isn't just about personal preference, it also has practical implications. The sound can serve as a form of communication on the road. In many cases, a more audible presence on the road can enhance safety by alerting other drivers to the motorcycle's position, especially in traffic. This auditory signal can be crucial in preventing accidents. This is particularly important, considering that motorcycles can be easily overlooked by drivers of larger vehicles. The louder sound ensures that the motorcycle is noticed, making the ride safer for everyone on the road. A louder motorcycle commands attention. It announces its arrival with authority, making it less likely to be overlooked in traffic. This increased visibility can be a crucial safety factor, especially in situations where drivers may not be looking for motorcycles. Beyond safety, a powerful exhaust note can enhance the overall riding experience. It provides a satisfying auditory feedback that amplifies the sensations of acceleration and speed. The sound becomes an extension of the motorcycle itself, adding a layer of excitement and enjoyment to every ride. One of the simplest and most effective ways to enhance your motorcycle's sound is by installing a slip-on exhaust system. As the name suggests, a slip-on exhaust replaces the stock muffler and tailpipe assembly, typically connecting to the existing mid-pipe. Slip-on exhausts are designed to improve exhaust flow, which can result in a modest increase in horsepower and torque. However, their primary appeal lies in their ability to transform the sound of the motorcycle, often producing a deeper, more resonant tone than the stock exhaust. Section 4. Controlling the raw baffles and sound modulation. While a louder exhaust note can be desirable, it's essential to strike a balance between a satisfying sound and excessive noise pollution. A well-tuned exhaust can enhance the riding experience, but too much noise can be a nuisance to others and may even be illegal in some areas. This is where baffles come into play. These small yet effective components can make a significant difference in how your motorcycle sounds. Baffles are sound-dampening devices that can be inserted into the exhaust system to regulate the volume and tone of the exhaust note. They help in achieving a more controlled and pleasant sound. Baffles work by disrupting the flow of exhaust gases, reducing the resonance within the exhaust system. This disruption helps in lowering the overall noise level. They are available in various sizes and designs, allowing riders to fine-tune the sound of their motorcycles to their liking. Whether you prefer a deep growl or a more subdued hum, there's a baffle for every preference. Some baffles are removable, providing the option to adjust the sound level depending on the riding environment. This flexibility is particularly useful for riders who traverse different settings, from urban streets to open highways. Section 5. Respecting the limits, decibel laws, and your motorcycle. While enhancing your motorcycle's sound can be enjoyable and even beneficial for safety, it's crucial to be mindful of local noise ordinances. Most jurisdictions have established decibel limits for motorcycles, and exceeding these limits can result in fines, penalties, or even the confiscation of your bike. Before modifying your exhaust system, research the specific decibel limits in your area. These limits can vary depending on the time of day, location, and type of motorcycle. It's always best to err on the side of caution and choose an exhaust system that complies with local regulations. Section 6. The sound of quality maintenance for optimal performance. Maintaining your motorcycle's exhaust system is essential not only for preserving its sound quality, but also for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. A well-maintained exhaust system can significantly enhance your riding experience by providing a smoother and more efficient ride. Regular inspections can help identify potential issues such as leaks, cracks, or excessive wear and tear. By catching these problems early, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure that your motorcycle remains in peak condition. Cleaning your exhaust system periodically can prevent the buildup of dirt, debris, and road grime that can affect sound quality and restrict exhaust flow. This not only helps in maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your motorcycle, but also ensures that it performs at its best. Using specialized exhaust cleaners and following the manufacturer's recommendations can help keep your exhaust system in top condition. These products are designed to remove stubborn deposits and protect the metal from corrosion. Additionally, addressing any exhaust leaks promptly can prevent further damage and maintain the desired sound output. Timely repairs not only enhance performance, but also contribute to the overall safety of your motorcycle, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable ride every time.